A piece of lemon is called wedge. A piece of lemon is called wedge. A piece of cauliflower is called floret. A piece of cauliflower is called floret. Floret. A piece of pineapple is called chunk. A piece of pineapple is called chunk. 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 A single piece of banana is called finger. Finger. A single piece of banana is called finger. Finger.